Elyra, the Swan Fairy, was the protector of a magical lake surrounded by lush forests and glowing water lilies. Her silver wings shimmered in the moonlight, and her soft, calming light kept the lake safe from harm. The swans trusted her completely, often following her as she glided over the water. One evening, as Elyra rested near the lake, an old hunter approached her. His face was weathered, and his eyes were sharp and mysterious. "This lake holds a deep secret," he said. "There's a dark force buried beneath its surface. If it awakens, the lake will fall into shadow." Elyra dismissed the warning, but noticed the swans behaving strangely that night, their calls echoing eerily in the mist. The next night, as fog blanketed the lake, a haunting melody drifted through the air. It came from the depths of the lake, faint but captivating. Elyra felt an uneasy pull toward the sound. Spreading her shimmering wings, she took flight over the lake. As she reached its center, the water rippled violently, and from the mist emerged a massive black swan. Its jagged feathers gleamed like obsidian, and its glowing red eyes pierced through the darkness. "I am the Dark Swan," it declared, its voice deep and menacing. "Elyra, you broke the pact." "What pact?" Elyra asked, her heart pounding. "Long ago, you promised to protect this lake with your light. But now your light is fading. Soon, the lake will be mine." Elyra realized her radiant wings had dimmed slightly, their glow less brilliant than before. Fear gripped her, but she refused to show it. Elyra began searching for answers. She remembered the pact she had made long ago. She had given a piece of her light to the lake to keep it safe. But now the Dark Swan's words haunted her. Why was her light fading? In a forgotten part of the forest, she discovered an ancient book hidden among the roots of a tree. Its pages revealed the truth. The pact demanded Elyra to renew her light every century by facing her own fears and truths. If she failed, the lake would fall into the Dark Swan's grasp. The realization struck her. She had neglected this ritual. The Dark Swan wasn't just a creature. It was the embodiment of the lake's suppressed darkness, growing stronger as her light waned. Determined to save the lake, Elyra confronted the Dark Swan under the full moon. The mist was thicker than ever, and the swans had gathered, their soft cries filling the air. "I will not let you take the lake," Elyra declared, her wings glowing faintly. "You are too late," the Dark Swan sneered, spreading its enormous shadowy wings. Elyra summoned her remaining light and unleashed it in a brilliant burst. The lake shimmered briefly, but her power was too weak to fully banish the darkness. Just as she began to falter, the swans surrounding her lifted into the air. One by one, they offered their own light to Elyra, their golden auras merging with her dimming glow. Together, their combined light grew stronger, piercing through the fog and striking the Dark Swan. The shadowy creature shrieked as its form dissolved, leaving the lake calm and clear once more. With the darkness defeated, Elyra felt her wings regain their full radiance. The swans swam peacefully, the water lilies bloomed brighter than ever, and the lake sparkled under the morning sun. Elyra realized she couldn't protect the lake alone. It was the love and unity of the swans that had saved them all. From that day forward, Elyra vowed to honor the pact and embrace the strength of her bond with the swans. Together, they would keep the lake safe from any shadow that dared to rise again.